Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a course that will teach you how to flip domains for a profit. The course is called Domain Flipping, Make a Profit Online, Flipping Domain Names, and it is updated for 2020. It will show you how to make money selling expired domains. Now, as of the time that I'm making this video, it is on sale for $10.99 out on Udemy. It's regularly $199.99, but I cannot guarantee that this price will still be in effect. Okay, so you can see right here, 23 hours left at this price. All right, so again, I cannot guarantee that you will get the class for $10.99. All right, so it's one of the highest rated courses on Udemy. It has a 7.4 rating, which is out of 5, which is very, very good. And over 2,200 students have enrolled. And what you'll learn in the course is you'll learn how to find domain names that have just expired, evaluate those domain names, purchase a domain on GoDaddy. And it doesn't just have to be GoDaddy. It could be any. It could be Namecheap. It could be HostGator. It could be all kinds of different places where you can buy expired domains. Okay, have access to a secret domain source. Understand key terms for domain flipping. Back order a domain name. List a domain for auction on Flippa. Flippa is one of the largest or most popular websites that people go to buy and sell domain names. Transfer a domain name after you sell. Okay, because once you buy it, it will be in your name. It will have your information. But once you sell it, you'll want to be able to transfer that information to the buyer. Okay, so your requirements: a PC, internet connection, and a small starting budget. Okay, so here's a little bit more about it. Let's go. Okay, so the instructor will teach you the keywords, basically most of the stuff that I talked about previously, but how to check for blacklisted domains. So, because if it's a blacklisted domain, you don't want to buy it. All right, in section 2, they'll show you where to sell your domains, how to create a domain auction, and writing a killer domain listing that sells, and how to transfer a domain using GoDaddy. And again, you don't have to just limit it to GoDaddy. All right, so this course is for anyone who is interested in creating a revenue online, and flipping domains can be a very lucrative opportunity if you know what you're doing. So this is one thing that if you're going to do something, I suggest you take a course and learn how to do it instead of trying to do trial and error and having an extensive learning curve. Okay, so students also bought ClickBank. They also bought some of these right here. These are also available as well. So here's another course, flipping domain or digital flipping. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to look at that. Okay, so you can see the course content. Let's go down to, there's the instructor. And here are the reviews. So you can look through the reviews to see if there's, to help you decide if you want to take it or not. Okay. I hold reviews in very high regard, especially if they're real reviews. But again, this course is on sale right now for $10.99. But even if you don't get it on sale, it's still worth it. Still, you can make your money back in no time flipping domain names. It's very popular. It can be very lucrative. The link to this class is down in the description of this video. Good luck. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you make lots of money. Thanks.